Hello, I'm Dr. Richard Gould, Associate Medical Officer at Health for York Region. It has been a long journey for all of us, and I want to thank residents for doing their part to protect themselves, their loved ones, and our community. We have asked a lot of you throughout the pandemic to follow public health guidelines, adhere to stay-at-home orders, and limit your contact with others to stop the transmission of COVID-19. You graciously took on the responsibility. More recently, we invited residents to increase their protection by getting vaccinated, and we thank you for making the decision to accept. To date, more than 76% of York Region's adults 18 years of age and older have received at least one dose of COVID-19 vaccine. More than 51% of our residents ages 12 to 17 have received at least one dose, and the demand for second dose appointments remains high as we continue to administer second doses to eligible individuals in alignment with the province. Beginning today, individuals who live, work, or attend school in York Region who receive their first dose of an mRNA vaccine on or before May 9th, 2021, have the option to rebook an earlier second dose appointment. Residents who receive their first dose of an mRNA vaccine on or before May 9th, 2021, and do not yet have a second dose appointment booked are also invited to do so. Appointments can be booked by visiting york.ca COVID-19 vaccine. Previously booked second dose appointments will be honored and will not be canceled unless a new and earlier appointment is confirmed. If you received AstraZeneca for your first dose, current provincial guidance has accelerated the second dose interval from 12 to 8 weeks to receive your second dose, which can be either AstraZeneca or an mRNA vaccine, Pfizer or Moderna. We encourage residents to go back to the pharmacy or primary care location they received their first dose. However, if you are unable to get your second dose there, you are welcome to book a second dose appointment at one of our mass vaccination clinics at york.ca COVID-19 vaccine. If you received an mRNA vaccine as your first dose, it is recommended you receive the same vaccine for your second dose. In other words, if you received Moderna, you should get Moderna as your second dose, or Pfizer if you first got Pfizer. Both are excellent vaccines and equally comparable in the level of protective immunity they provide. There is no need to select one over another. We are currently able to offer a limited number of appointments. However, new appointments are released as they become available. Residents are encouraged to check the website regularly. While the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine is very effective at preventing COVID-19 infection, serious illness, hospitalization, and death, the second dose is still required to provide optimal and longer-lasting protection. Our incidence rates continue to drop, and our vaccination rates continue to rise. But unfortunately, we continue to see deaths each week, mainly occurring in unvaccinated individuals. We are hearing from our case investigators that many individuals who have tested positive lately were meaning to get vaccinated, but had not booked an appointment to do so yet. It remains critically important for all those who have not received a first dose to get one. Please do not wait to get your first vaccine or your second vaccine as soon as you're eligible to do so. While we certainly welcome going into step one of the province's roadmap to reopen, we encourage residents to remain vigilant and to continue practicing the current public health guidelines. If we stay the course, we'll be closer to entering the next step that will ease restrictions further. We don't want to risk tripping so close to the finish line. Stay safe, stay informed, stay vigilant, and please get vaccinated.